National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elbert County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kiowa, or 32 miles southeast of Denver, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Ponderosa Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.